Greetings, our friends. Today I'd like to explain for you operations with fractions in some words very shortly. So in adding or subtracting fractions, you must know that numbers must have the same common denominator. For example, we add 1/3 by 2/5, for example. If you look, so the denominators are 3 and 5. So in order to add these two fractions, the least number into which 3 and 5 divide evenly is 15. So therefore 15 is the common denominator. To add the fractions, divide each denominator into 15. So if we divide 3 into 15, so we have 5, and in this case we have 3, and then multiply the result by the given denominator. So we multiply 5 to 1 plus 2 to 3, and into denominator we write 15. Okay, so 5 plus 6 we have 11 to 15. It's too easy, very easy. So in some words we can say, in order to add two fractions, a by b, for example, plus c by d. So remember that a sum can be found by adding the two cross products, by adding the two cross products, a by d, and we add to this another cross product, c by b, and putting this answer over the denominator products. We in the common denominator we write b multiplied by d. Okay, in the case of subtraction, we use this rule also. Look please, when we subtract one fractions from another one, we use this rule. So in denominator we write b by d, in the numerator we write a by d minus c by b. Okay, it's too simple and too easy. Another example, our example is in subtraction. For example, 3 by 4 minus 5 sevenths. So in this case we find a common denominator for these two denominators. For 4 and 7, the common denominator is 28 via multiplication. So we divide this 28 to 4, and we have here 7, and also we divide 28 to 7, here we have 4. So we multiply 3 to 7, here we have 21 minus also multiply 5, another numerator, to the result of the dividend. Okay, here we have 20, and as a result 1 by 28. Here it's too simple and it's too easy. See you soon.